Dear children, I am Deepak Daud, your EVS teacher, is going to describe the lesson of Snake Charmer's story. In this chapter, we will read about the snake and the snake charmers. Before we proceed, it is important to discuss the points of this chapter. First point is in this chapter is to understand the life of snake charmers. Second one is to know the close relationship between animals and human beings. Next point will be to identify poisonous snake and non-poisonous snake in the India. Fourth, understand the importance of giving first aid for snake bite. I hope you have read the chapter. In this chapter, it is tell about the Kalbelia people and their dance. Second one is bean and other blowing air musical instrument. It means the musical instrument which is played by the blowing air with mouth. Third one is snake cannot hear, so they cannot dance. You are listen about the dancing of snake, but fact is snake cannot dance because it cannot hear the sound of bean. Snake bite and first aid. If anybody gets snake bite, what first aid to be given? Fifth is government rule to protect wildlife. Government has made many rules to protect the wildlife. Like snake charmers, other livelihood depend on animals. It means interdependency of the animals on the human, and human depend on the animals. Yes. Next point is all snakes are not poisonous. 4 poisonous snakes are cobra, duboia, karat, and afai. Kalbelia people and their dance. It is the picture of Kalbelia dance in which a lady is playing dance. In the chapter, it is telling about a boy which name was Aranath. Aranath was a boy. He can play bean and show the play of snake. He learned these tricks from his father. His grandfather was called by the people to show the play of snakes. Aranath can catch the snake from his childhood. He and his people was called Kalbelia. Aranath was the boy who can play the show of snakes from his childhood. Now you can say who is Kalbelia? Kalbelia is a group of people who can play bean and show the play of snakes, are known as Kalbelia, and their folk dance is called Kalbelia dance. The Kalbelia people dance in their community, which is known as Kalbelia dance. Now snake and their dance. As I told, snake cannot dance because it cannot hear. Snake cannot hear the sound of bean. Snake not have ears to hear. It seems to dance because it look the movement of the bean. Snake, when the snake charmer play the bean, snake see the movement of bean, so it seems that snake is dancing, but there is no dance because snake cannot hear. Snake feels the vibration on the earth by its skin. So the snake cannot dance. It frightened from the movement of bean. It looks like dance. Snake and their poisonous teeth. Snake has two hollow and like a needle. It has two teeth, and when snake bites, it use that teeth. The hollow and poisonous teeth of snakes are known as fangs. These teeth are called fangs. Snake bite and first aid. When anybody bites by snake, then it has to be given a first aid. First aid for snake bite, do's and don't. Do, at first I describe about what can be done. Call medical help immediately. Second one, do not cut bite side, clean wound and apply pressure bandage to beaten limb. Don't move the beaten part, restrict movement, and after that transport quickly to the nearest hospital that can deliver emergency care. And don't do what is, do not try to suck out venom. It means do not try to suck the venom from the snake bite. Do not apply tourniquet that can impede blood circulation. People generally tie the wound, then the blood circulation of that part is stopped, so it can be harmful. In this way, what is first aid? First aid and immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. It means which immediate help has to be given an injured person, is that help is called first aid. Now first aid kit, you can make it on its own. First aid kit has many things. Essential thing of first aid is first aid manual. First aid manual is very important. Every first aid kit should contain a first aid manual. The manual will help you know how to treat wound, sprain, bites and other common health issues. The guide should be studied before a crisis arises, and everyone with access to the kit should know the basics of the first aid. Second one is tweezers. Tweezers are an important tool to have in any first aid kit, regardless to how basic your kit is. Tweezers can be used to remove debris such as glass, dirt or splinters from a wound. They can also be used to remove stinger left behind by bees. Third one is alcohol swabs. Alcohol swabs are used to clean the infected or wounded area before antibiotic ointment or bandage are placed on the area. Now, antibiotic ointment. Antibiotic ointment can be used for treat many type of condition and will aid in the proper healing of the wound area. Antibiotic ornament means antibiotic cream. It helps to keep infection out of the wound and should be administered after the injured area has been thoroughly cleaned. Now, bandage. Adhesive bandage is multiple size should be part of a first aid kit. Bandage, you know it very much. Next one is gauge pad. Adhesive bandages are not always large enough to cover a wound, which is why it is crucial to have gauge pad in a first aid kit. Medical tape. Medical tape is used to secure gauge pad or wrap when they are being used as a bandage. Elastic bandage. Elastic bandage help keep a sprained joint immobile and reduce swelling. Next one is pain reliever. Pain reliever tablets are in market. It is also the part of a first aid kit. Instant cold pack. As like cold cream, it is an important thing of the medical kit. Now, interdependency of animal. Interdependency means mutual dependent. Animal can dependent on human and human can dependent on animals. For example, like snake charmers, many people depend on the animals for their livelihood. Like the elephant rider or horse rider who are dependent on the animal like horse and elephant. Second one is milkman. Milkman is depend on cow or buffalo. Third one is circus people. Circus personals are depend on animals just like lion, tiger and elephant. Shepherd. Shepherd is depend on sheep for their wool. Some musical instrument played by blowing air. You all have seen the music room. It has also many musical instrument. Bean. Bean is a musical instrument which is played by snake charmers to show the dance. Flute. You all have seen the flute. It is very traditional music system which is known as mouth organ. It is saxophone. It is used in classical music. It is shahnai. And after that trumpet. Government rule to protect the animal. Government had made very strict rule to protect the animals. If any people hunt the animal, he will be punished by the imprisonment and monetary penalty. The example of film star Salman Khan was blamed for the hunting of black deer, so he has sent to the jail for some months. Poisonous snake. All the snakes are not poisonous. Only few snakes, that are cobra, duboia, karat and afai. You can read this in your book. These are very poisonous. Thank you.